Fitness. There are many styles of fitness in this world, but all of them comes under these 5 main elements. They are: the first one is aerobic, aka cardio. Aerobic exercise is a physical activity that uses most of your muscles, or any activity that elevates your heart rate for a sustained period. Example: running, jogging, swimming, dancing, Zumba, and any sports. So the uses of aerobics, it reduces the heart disease and strengthens your heart and lungs capacity. Mainly, it burns more fat than any other workouts. So aerobics is the best choice if you want to lose weight. Second one is anaerobic or gym. Anaerobic means the exercises you do by taking break in between each sets. Example, of course, weightlifting, gym, powerlifting, squats, etc. So the uses of anaerobic fitness is, of course, anaerobic is useful to muscle building and improves your strength and speed, power, and many more. Third one is flexibility. Flexibility is as equally important as muscle building for your body. Flexibility is nothing but the ability to bend or twist your body. So the example of flexibility: yoga, contortionism, tai chi, and normal stretching too. Flexibility is useful for it enhances your range of motion, and flexibility increases your posture. Yep. Performance in your daily life or other activities. The fourth one is endurance. Ability to do sustained physical activity for an extended period. Doing a hard thing for so fucking long, like running 100 miles, swimming a kilometer, like how David Goggins run 3 days non-stop. So the examples of endurance is long runs, swimming, cycling, or even bodyweight exercises. The uses are, of course, it increases your lung capacity and fat burns. It is also good for your weight loss and enhance your blood circulation and strengthens your heart and lungs, and many more, of course. Fifth one is hybrid. This one will clarify all your doubts of all these 4. Motherfucker. We have 5 elements of fitness, right? Aerobic, anaerobic, flexibility, endurance, and hybrid. Hybrid is the combination of 2 or 3 or 4. It's customized. You can choose these 2 elements or these 2 elements, these 2 elements, or these 3 elements, or all 4 elements. Hybrid is a combination of these 4 elements: calisthenics, kung fu, CrossFit. All this comes under hybrid training. Uses of hybrid, it depends on what you choose, what fitness style you choose. And yeah, that's it. These are the 5 elements of fitness. So try a few styles and choose one, because we only have one body and one life. Stay healthy and fit, man. Peace.